Many residents embrace the exclusive benefits of an in-house entertainment system. This offers an unparalleled movie-watching experience, providing comfort and luxury from the privacy of their homes. Within this prestigious enclave resides 10,000, a premier luxury residence developed by Crescent Heights. It offers an authentically Los Angeles living experience for those seeking unparalleled quality. 10,000 is not merely an apartment complex. It's positioned as a curated lifestyle club. This distinction signifies a comprehensive living experience that goes beyond typical residential offerings. Residents here often invest around $10,000 per month, a figure reflecting the comprehensive lifestyle package. This cost encompasses luxury, convenience, privacy, and connection within an exclusive community. 10,000 apartments offer incomparable, unobstructed views. Residents can gaze upon the expansive Pacific Ocean and the iconic Hollywood Hills from their luxurious living spaces. The residences at 10,000 are designed for spaciousness, offering flexible layouts. Options range from expansive one-bedroom units to generously appointed 3- and 4-bedroom homes. Each residence features high-end finishes and meticulous attention to detail. These sophisticated interiors are crafted to provide an aesthetic of refined elegance and modern luxury. Living at 10,000 means embracing the future with integrated smart home technology. Residents enjoy seamless control over lighting, climate, and entertainment systems for ultimate convenience. The amenities at 10,000 redefine urban living, offering a resort-like experience. These premium facilities are meticulously designed to cater to every aspect of resident well-being. The fitness center at 10,000 rivals that of top commercial gyms. It features an array of state-of-the-art equipment, catering to diverse workout routines and fitness goals. Residents can indulge in the tranquil spa and wellness facilities. These serene spaces offer a sanctuary for relaxation, rejuvenation, and personal well-being, enhancing the daily lifestyle. For cinematic experiences, 10,000 provides a private theater. This exclusive amenity offers residents a sophisticated space to enjoy films and entertainment in a comfortable, curated setting. The property features resort-style pools surrounded by elegant lounges. These inviting outdoor spaces provide residents with a luxurious oasis for relaxation, socializing, and enjoying the California sun. Beyond residences and amenities, 10,000 fosters a community. It offers sophisticated social and private dining spaces, encouraging connection and exclusive lifestyle experiences among residents. This comprehensive approach transforms 10,000 into a lifestyle club. It's about providing a seamless, integrated living experience that anticipates residents' needs and desires. A cornerstone of the 10,000 lifestyle is its personalized concierge service. Staff are dedicated to assisting residents with daily tasks, reservations, and fulfilling specific requests. Convenience is paramount, with services like valet parking readily available. This attention to detail ensures a smooth, effortless transition into and out of the residential environment. Regular social and cultural events are hosted, connecting residents. These curated gatherings range from intimate wine tastings to vibrant community celebrations, enhancing the living experience. The Lifestyle Club extends to personal services, including assistance with shopping. This holistic approach ensures residents have access to convenience tailored to their affluent preferences. For culinary excellence, residents can avail themselves of private chef services. This elevates home dining, offering gourmet meals prepared with the finest ingredients and expertly crafted. The $10,000 per month price point reflects an investment in an all-encompassing lifestyle. It's not just rent, it's payment for premium amenities, exclusive services, and a highly desirable community. 10,000 caters to affluent individuals who value convenience, privacy, and community. This demographic seeks an elevated living standard, merging luxury with a hassle-free urban lifestyle. Privacy is a paramount concern for residents in BEL-AIR and at 10,000. The design and services are tailored to maintain a secluded and discreet living experience. Despite the emphasis on privacy, 10,000 cultivates an active community. Resident events and shared amenities offer opportunities for connection and forming lasting relationships. Location is key, with 10,000 offering proximity to exclusive Los Angeles areas. Residents are minutes away from high-end shopping, dining, and cultural attractions. BEL-AIR's location at the foothills of the Santa Monica Mountains provides direct access to scenic hiking trails. Residents can enjoy outdoor adventure minutes from their doorsteps. The prized location also grants convenient proximity to the Pacific coast. Residents can enjoy beach activities and ocean views, a quintessential part of the Southern California lifestyle. 10,000 isn't just a residence, it's an example of modern architectural design. Its sleek aesthetic and thoughtful construction contribute to its status as an iconic structure. As a Crescent Heights residence, 10,000 upholds a reputation for developing distinctive luxury properties. This developer is known for creating iconic buildings in prime urban locations. 10,000 is setting a new standard for luxury living in Los Angeles. It redefines residential expectations by integrating unparalleled amenities, services, and community. The building provides an exclusive urban retreat, offering residents a sanctuary from the bustling city. It combines convenience with a sense of serene escape right at home. 10,000 is authentically Los Angeles, blending luxury with the city's vibrant culture. It offers residents a gateway to experience the best that LA has to offer. The living spaces are not just residences, but carefully curated environments. Every element, from layout to finishes, is designed to enhance the residents' daily life and comfort. The integration of smart technology throughout the residences further elevates convenience. Residents can manage their environment effortlessly, ensuring a modern, connected living experience. Resident well-being is a priority, with access to premium wellness facilities. These spaces are designed to promote health and rejuvenation, offering a holistic approach to resident care. 10,000 functions as an exclusive social hub, fostering connections among its residents. The communal spaces are designed for sophisticated gatherings and relaxed interactions. The personalized service approach ensures every resident's needs are met with efficiency and care. This dedication to service is a defining characteristic of the 10,000 lifestyle. Effortless living is made possible through a suite of conveniences, including valet services. These touches remove daily friction, allowing residents to focus on their lifestyle. 10,000 actively fosters connections among its residents. Scheduled events and communal spaces provide opportunities for neighbors to meet, socialize, and build relationships. The availability of private chef services elevates the home dining experience significantly. Residents can enjoy restaurant-quality meals in the comfort and privacy of their own residences. The significant monthly cost is framed as an investment in an unparalleled lifestyle. It's about acquiring access to premier experiences, services, and an exclusive community. 10,000 precisely targets affluent individuals who seek more than just a home. They desire convenience, privacy, and a sophisticated community that aligns with their personal values. The BEL-AIR location emphasizes seclusion, making 10,000 a prime choice for those prioritizing extreme privacy. The neighborhood itself is designed to shield residents from public view. Beyond amenities, 10,000 cultivates belonging through social engagement. Curated events are key to ensuring residents feel connected and part of an exclusive, welcoming community. The range of services, from valet to concierge, ensures ultimate convenience. Residents' daily needs are met with promptness, enhancing their quality of life significantly. Private chef services offer unparalleled convenience and luxury for dining. Residents can indulge in exquisite, bespoke meals prepared and served in their private residences. BEL-AIR offers stunning natural vistas from the Santa Monica Mountains to the Pacific Ocean. 10,000 residents are privileged to experience these breathtaking views daily. 10,000 stands as a modern architectural icon in Los Angeles. Its design complements the city's aesthetic while establishing a distinct presence for luxury living. 10,000 redefines the concept of a residence by functioning as a lifestyle club. This approach integrates amenities, services, and community into one cohesive living experience. Residents enjoy exclusive access to a full suite of premium amenities. These facilities are maintained at the highest standards to ensure a superior living environment. The one-bedroom residences at 10,000 offer generous living spaces. They combine comfort, style, and functionality for an exemplary urban living experience. For those needing more space, 10,000 offers luxurious 3- and 4-bedroom homes. These residences provide ample room for families or those who entertain guests frequently. The hallmark of 10,000 is its dedication to high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Every detail, from flooring to fixtures, reflects a commitment to enduring luxury. Residents manage their connected homes with seamless smart technology. Voice commands or simple app interfaces control lighting, climate, and entertainment for ultimate convenience. 10,000 adopts a holistic approach to wellness, offering facilities that cater to physical and mental well-being. It creates an environment where residents can thrive. Shared spaces are central to building community at 10,000. These areas are designed to encourage interaction and foster a strong sense of belonging among residents. The concierge service at 10,000 provides attentive, personalized assistance. This team is dedicated to ensuring residents' daily logistics are managed with utmost professionalism and efficiency. Valet services ensure residents' arrivals and departures are seamless and stress-free. This convenience is a defining feature of the luxury living experience at 10,000. The suite of services offered elevates 10,000 residents' lifestyles beyond typical standards. These offerings combine luxury, convenience, and personalized attention into a unique package. 10,000 is setting a new standard for luxury living in Los Angeles. By integrating unparalleled amenities, services, and community, it redefines residential expectations. Discover the ultimate in Los Angeles luxury living. 10,000 offers an integrated lifestyle experience, merging exquisite residences with unparalleled amenities and services.